everyone, I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. I am an affiliate with them, so these products were sent to me, and I do have a coupon code with them. It is fav45575. You can put this code on the website in the search bar or in the app. I'll also link all the products down below to make it super easy so you guys could go ahead and find the different products. So let's dive right on in. So I got this first set right here for $3.58. It is a 4-pack. Now these technically are supposed to go on cups. So it's a cup wrap and you put it on your cup like this, but I'm not going to use it for cups. I will use this for my crafting. Of course, I had to have these because they were Easter Mickey. I think about saving some of these for my scrapbooking. I think it'd be really cute. So I got this set. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with these right here. The little Mickeys with the little bunny ears, I think are so stinking cute. I love this set. You guys know I am a Disney fanatic. So they also had this set right here. You can see the little Mickey right here. And then these like little peeps. So cute. I love the pastel colors. So that's all 4 sheets that came in here. I love that I found a Disney pack. Like, I was not expecting to find a Disney pack with all of them. So really excited that I found that. Then I also got another pack that's just regular Easter. And this pack was $3.97. So here is what that looks like. So we have some bunnies. I wish that some of the eggs were in purple because you guys know I am not a pink girly. So I'll definitely save the little purple bunnies. And then right here, these look like little peeps. Like, how cute are these? I am so obsessed. Oh, look, there we go. Perfect. Let you see a little bit better. So we have those. They look like little peeps. Then we have this pack right here. This is why I had to get this pack. You guys know I love my little gnomey homies. So I had to get this pack because of the little gnomes. And I think it's so cute that he's holding the little chocolate Easter bunny. And we have this one. I thought it was funny. He kind of looks like he's sleeping, like little sleepy little bunny. And you get the little rainbows here. And this last one is so cute as well. Like, how adorable is that? So those are our sticker sheets. Like I said, you could use these for anything. I did do a tutorial video of putting it on an acrylic tag, which I did get some in this pack as well. So I'll be doing those. It was 10 pieces for $3.97. And these look like little eggs. I thought that was so cute. So look at that. Like, oh, I'll do one of these so you can see through it. So you could go ahead and like build these. So you could put your little Easter bunny, then add a couple like little stickers. You could add the little rainbow. So you could just build onto this. It'll be so cute. Look, on this one, you could get a couple of those bunnies fitted in there. Really, really cute to go ahead and use. And then this did come with white ribbon, but I probably won't use that. I'll use like maybe a pastel ribbon, something a little bit cuter. You can always dye the ribbon. I did do a video a very long time ago of where I dyed ribbon using my Tim Holtz ink. So that would be really cute to do as well. This kit I was so excited about. It makes a total of 8 pens for $7.19. My birthday, July 19th. And it has everything that you need. So you have your pens right here. So you can go ahead and bead. Then you have your silicone, like 3D character beads. And then it comes with printed beads as well. So I'm going to do a whole separate video on this because we're going to go ahead and build it. But yeah, it has absolutely everything that you need. So I'll build it like just plain like this. And then I'll show you where I like to build them because I always like putting a little like loop bead at the top so I could do a little dangle off of. So stay tuned. We'll do a whole another video on this little set as well. Now, one thing I did want to mention with these beads, they do have it for every theme you can think of. There's Christmas, there's Easter, there's Halloween, there's flowers, there's bumblebees, there is all kinds. So any project that you are working on that you would want to make a biddable pin for, go search it on Temu. I am most certain that they have it. If you have any problems finding it, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you guys out and find products for you. Like, I love browsing on there. So yeah, just let me know. This set of stickers I'm really excited about. It was so affordable. It's 500 stickers for $1.68, and look at how pretty these are. They actually have like the little face in there, so it looks like little bunny peeps. I think they're so cute, and you get so many colors in here. Really, really cute. So I love it. I love that it's like foil and like sparkly, like so stinking cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of these, but I'm really happy that I have them. I think they're just absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, this die I am really excited that I found. So it is a sewable die. I had shown some other dies that I had bought off of Temu that were Christmas themed. So when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I totally have to pick this up. It is so sweet looking. So you have the little bunny head. You have the body for the bunny. This is like the little tummy. Then you have the carrot, and it did come with an extra little heart. And, oh, this is like the carrot top right here. So it's like little frilly, so you can put the little carrot top. Really, really stinking cute. I'm really excited to do this. And here's like the little mouth. And then you do get the accessories to do like the little nose and the eyes. This is a little bow tie. There's a button there. Yeah, this is going to be adorable. I cannot wait to cut this up and to go ahead and use it. I think it's going to be so cute. You can also cut paper. So like in the video that I did before, I cut felt and then sewed it and stuffed it. But you can definitely do it on paper and just go ahead and follow the stitches, and you don't have to make it into like a little plushie. You could just use the paper and some stitching just to make it look like extra fancy. That would be really cute as well. This one is going to be so cute. So this was 20 pieces for $3.09. So I love peeps. I love eating peeps. I think they're just so good. I love like anything like this where it looks like little peeps. I just think is adorable. So you do get different colors. Now with these, I am going to do some diamond dots on them. I have a ton in my stash. You guys know I used to work with a company that would send me diamond dots. And so I still have a ton in my stash. That's why I kind of like slowed down on those videos and I haven't done it for a while, because I'm like, I need to use up what I have. So I specifically bought these or ordered these because I wanted to go ahead and use some of those diamond dots and use them up. So we have green, pink, purple here. We got the blue. Oh, there's another like light pink here. We got a yellow, a darker green. Looks like you get two of each color. Oh, that's supposed to be like an orange, I guess. I thought it just looked like the wood, but I guess it's supposed to be like an orange, a lighter blue, and a darker purple. So those are gonna be so cute. I cannot wait to share with you guys what they look like once I go ahead and bling them up. I'm sure that they're gonna be absolutely amazing. Really, really excited to go ahead and play with that and share with you guys. Now it was made to be like a banner, so it did come with the cord for that, but like I said, I'm not gonna do that, so I'll just go ahead and put that like off to the side of my stash somewhere. And these are going to be so cute. They're going to be so bling bling and look absolutely adorable. I did get another die right here. This one is to make a shaker. I don't have this in my stash, and I thought it'd be really cute. So here is your piece that you're going to cut your foam out of. And then this is going to be your little shaker here. This one is going to be your background. And then you're going to glue this on top. You're going to cut this again in the acetate. So that way you can seal the little shaker elements, and then you're going to cut this out again as that top layering piece. So stinking cute. This is the top for the carrot right here, and it does come with two little leaves. I think these would be really cute to go ahead and save for even flowers. If you make paper flowers, these would be really cute to use for that. I don't see myself using the leaves on the carrot. Oh, well, maybe if I did like a flower embellishment, I could use that. So yeah, super cute though. And this one was only $2.66. So Again, really, really affordable again. And let's see, my last little item I have in here are gorgeous. This was $2.21 and it's only 8 pieces. But look at how pretty these are. Okay, look at this one right here. This thing is thick. There is a big old butterfly 3D on there. We have the gorgeous blue flower. We got our little rhinestones. This one right here has some rhinestones to it. This one as well. So it's all blingy and pretty. Look at this one. This one is all rhinestones up on the top and at the bottom. We have this one again with a bunch of little rhinestones. And then here is another one of those like 3D butterfly just sitting right on top. These are so much prettier in person than what I thought they were going to be. I'm really, really excited that I got these. I do want to do like a spring themed chunky charm with you guys. So stay tuned for that tutorial because that will be coming out. But yeah, I thought these were absolutely beautiful and a must have. And this was my last item in my bag. So these are resin butterflies. And it might be hard to see, but there is a hole right here in the head. So you can put a jump ring through there. I might put a jump ring through the antenna because I'm not sure. I think like a regular jump ring would fit through there, but I like using the heavy gauge one. So I might stick it through the antenna. But it did come with a variety of different colors. And it all has like that gold shine in there. Really pretty. Oh, there's a white one. This like purple blue one. Like an orangey pink. This one's like more blue purple. Oh, there's like a pink one. And this one. So really, really pretty. I think these are so beautiful. I cannot wait to start crafting with you guys and show you guys what I create with all of this stuff. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to go ahead and use my coupon code right here so you guys can go ahead and save some money and get some coupons. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.